We're on board the speedboat of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources. We're going to visit Bangko Malapad, which is a destination for migratory birds. This was supposed to be scheduled last February 2, yesterday, which is the National Wetlands Day. Good afternoon. We are here at the Bangkong Malapad Critical Habitat and Ecotourism area here in Sasmuan. And we are having a tour with officers from the Provincial Environment and Natural Resources Office led by Sir Vladimir Sala. This is a media tour with Pampanga Media to explore the new boardwalk made by the Penro for visitors and those who are doing conservation work for this critical habitat area.
Of course, during the fourth incumbency of Governor Nanay Pineda. But I think this being operated by local government. But since this has now been a Ramsar site and soon to be a critical habitat, so the collaboration between the local and the DNR is very strong, and that we will ensure that we will adapt carrying capacity study. So on how many exactly this facility can accommodate as a certain time. We will ensure that, and that will be written, and that will be part of the policy on this area. Yeah, nandito tayo para makita natin ang lugar na na-declare as a Ramsar site. Ito yung Sasmuan, Bangkong Malapad, Critical Habitat and Ecotourism Area. Nandito tayo sa bayan ng Sasmuan, Pampanga. Ito ay na-designate February 2, 2021 that coincide during the World Wetland Day celebration. So itong struktura na ito ay isang gagawin nating ecotourism area dito sa lugar. Parang alam naman natin ng isang lugar na na-declare na as Ramsar site, ito na yung magiging isa sa mga sentro ng ecoturismo dito sa lugar na ito. Depende ho yan sa magiging, of course, yung panahon natin ngayon, because yung pandemic, COVID-19, magkakaroon pa ho ng pag-uusap yung council, technical working group na i-create between DNR and local government, particular ng provincial and the municipality of Sasmuan. Pag-uusapan natin yan in consideration also the rules and regulations based on the IATF guidelines. At kung ma-open na natin dito sa turista, maganda yan upang maging source din ng pagkitaan dito sa lugar na ito.
Sir, pakipaliwanag naman sa simpleng paraan kung talaga yung Ramsar.
Oo.
Para sa mga tao sa Sasmuan.
Ang Ramsar site ay it composed of maraming bansa, about 172 countries na nakasign sa treaty na pinipili nila yung mga lugar na pwedeng i-declare as a Ramsar. Ito yung mga wetlands of national significance. Kagaya dito sa lugar na ito, may mga ibon tayong mga pinapagalagaan dito. Kasi yung flyway zone, ang isa sa flyway zone, rin yung mga migratory birds na pinapangalagaan ay nandito. Dito sila tumitigil pansamantala galing sa ibang bansa. Yung iba ay temporary and other are residing na dito. Tumatagal dito sa lugar na ito. So yung importance na ito. Sa isang Ramsar, nabanggit nga ng ating mga kasama sa Biodiversity Management Bureau na pag nandito ka na sa listahan na ito, para bang nasa listahan ka na ng mga pinipiling lugar. Imagine pang-8 pa lang ito sa ating bansa. And this is the first in Central Luzon. First in Central Luzon ito. And we are aligned now with Bataha Reef, Subterranean River, Nauhan Lake. These are famous lakes and wetland area. And imagine first in Sasmuan will be among those, 8 only in the country.
Saan na bang mga development from?
Like this one, we built this We renovate actually this from the DNR funds, of course with the support of the local government of Sasmuan. Inayos natin ito so that we have some presentable or isang magandang lugar wherein people can stay and see the mangrove, see the birds, And after this, we're also pushing for its designation as a critical habitat. Finally,
Sabihin, sir?
it's a critical habitat because as I said, ito nga kasi yung nandito kasi yung mga migratory birds na during the time of the season of the year, nandito sila nag-i-stay. That's why we really wanted this to be a critical habitat so that talagang yung protection ng mga ibon at ibang hayop na nandito ay talagang sustain na through the DNR staff. Yeah. Yes. Dito ka, Jason.
Alam ba nila na meron ako ganito?
Yeah, in fact, they were part of the activities we have yesterday nang sinelebrate kahapon. Nandito po yung mga representative ng ating mga barangay na nabanggit. This is Batang First, Batang Second, Sebitanan, Mabuan-Buan, Malusak, barangay na nakakasakop po dito sa Sasmuan, Pampanga Coastal Wetland. To be specific about it, yun po yung termino nung buong Ramsar site, ang Sasmuan, Pampanga Coastal Wetland.
Anong ibig sabihin sa kanila? Bawal na sa kanilang bang?
Of course, matagal naman natin sinasabi na talagang pinagbabawal naman na talaga yung ating mga pagpuputol ng ating mga bakawan. In fact, because of its designation, I'm happy to tell you that naggawa na rin po ang DNR Penro ng isang permanent monitoring station in the area, and binigyan na din po kami ng bangka na gagamitin namin sa law enforcement. We will strictly implement yung cutting of mangrove. Kasi as you can see, yung papunta tayo dito, you can see yung mga tawag natin dito, yung bumbon, that the people are not turning into as part of their livelihood. Where yung mga isda is nag-i-stay doon, and they're using branches of mangrove. And this time, we're gonna apprehend those who are cutting it. So sa pagpuputol pa lang, natin sila, i-apprehend, or we will intensify our information education campaign dito sa lugar na ito, para mapasabihan sila na talagang mahigpit na pinagbabawal ang ating mga kabakawan.